This is another fountain. Let's go and check. Also very impressive. Just look. Magnificent. Should I go there? What do you think? Or we continue this path? I think this sounds more interesting. Nice. There is my destination. I was hoping that the rain will stop, but no. It's still the same annoying rain. Please stop. My jeans are wet, my hat is wet. At this point I just want to go to my hotel room, enjoy the hot shower, and then go and buy tasty smash burger. Or maybe before that I will go to Central Cafe or any other cafe to buy some hot coffee and cheesecake. We'll see. Wow, the wonderful view over the Vienna city. Actually, you can go up on top of this building. Yeah, there is a cafe, so you can take a break, drink some coffee, maybe eat some cake, maybe something else, not sure. have the classic pass ticket, you can go up. If not, you have to pay €5. Okay, now going to see the maze, and if you go from this building here and going down, and then on the left side where should be the maze, which I want to visit. And if you have the classic pass ticket, it's included in your price, in your ticket. And from the top of that building, it's really cool panoramic view over Vienna city. Highly recommended. Okay, the rain almost stopped, that's good, and I'm near the maze. Hopefully I will manage to get out from the maze. Go there or there. Let's choose the right side. It's a wrong way to go. Let's go back. Oh no. Not the nice time to go in the labyrinth. Nope. Actually, you can get easily lost here. Let's try another way. Not again.
I think this takes us to the exit. Or it's just a dead end.
Maybe I am close to the center. Finally, the center. Take the short exit from the labyrinth and go there where is another maze labyrinth. As I already told, it's not a good time after the rain to go here in the labyrinth, but what can you do? It is what it is. There is one more labyrinth, the fourth labyrinth. It's the bench in the center. Just a walking path here to the center. Yeah, really nice place, this Schönbrunn Palace, all this garden, impressive fountains. Yeah, highly recommended for you to visit. Yeah, and here is the entrance for the third labyrinth. Okay, let's try and go here, and that will be all for today. As I said, after that I will go to the hotel to take a rest, to take my power bank, because my batteries are almost finished, all three of them. So then I will go to the center. Maybe I will film something more, if I will manage to go there, because the weather is not good. And I'm tired, so I guess instead I will just go to the this 15-16 pub, as I already told you. I will have the nice tasty smash burger there. Maybe I will visit Cafe Central and drink some coffee, some cheesecake or some other cake, hopefully also tasty. Yeah, we'll see. But if this is the end of this video, then bye everyone, press like, subscribe, see you later.